Hey, how's it going, guys? Jackson Smith here with Internet Money Lifestyle, and in this video I'm going to go over the top 5 affiliate marketing strategies that require zero audience. Now, I know when people are starting out with affiliate marketing, it's honestly very easy to go through a course and get an affiliate marketing business set up, but the difficult part, and I know from experience and I know from anybody and everybody else that I've talked to that is trying to get into affiliate marketing, all the groups I'm in, all the people I've talked to, the most difficult part is getting traffic to their offers, getting people to actually click on their links and buy the products, actually building an audience. That is the most difficult part. Just like anything, if you think of a business, sure, you can build the latest and greatest brick and mortar store there is, but if you can't get people in the store, well, then you're not going to earn any money, which is not going to keep you in business, which isn't going to keep you going. So in this video, I want to go over 5 of what I believe to be the best ways to get an audience to your affiliate marketing offers. So without further ado, let's jump over here onto my computer. So method number 1 is called launch jacking. Now, I recently found out what this is. I learned what it is, and I'm really going to be implementing this into my business because it is just a genius method for those that are just getting started. If you've been in this business for a while, you don't really need to do this. Sure, you could, but if you've been doing affiliate marketing for a while, this isn't really something that the big guys are doing. This is more of a method for people who are new to affiliate marketing and have zero audience. So what you do is you're going to go ahead and you're going to head on over here to this right here, muncheye.com. Once you get to this website, you are going to find a ton of different products that are about to launch. Now, all these products are products that you can promote, affiliate offers that you can promote. And simply, all you need to do, I'm not going to go over all the details to launch jacking, but all you have to do is go in here. I think this is going to be a product that I'm going to promote right here, the low key cycle, because look at the price point at 50% commission. Going to be making over $1,000 a commission. But all you need to do is click on this right here. And then once you get here, all you need to do is find out what the product is, get familiar with it. And then once you get familiar with this product, you're basically just going to review the product. You're going to go on the website, you're going to review it, you're going to talk about it. You're going to make a video that you are going to post on YouTube, or if you're not really one that wants to do video, you can make a blog post over the product. You're just going to post a review about the product, talking about it. And the power of this method, aka launch jacking, is that basically it's a whole new product. So if we take a look back over here, the low key cycle, okay, this is a whole new product that nobody is necessarily searching for or hasn't searched for yet, because it's a brand new product that is just hitting the market. So not a lot of people have tried to rank for this. If you're familiar with affiliate marketing, you know about Legendary Marketer. That is a huge affiliate program that a lot of people have tried to rank for and made videos about. But whenever you do this launch jacking method, you basically have this entire list of new products that are coming out. And then if you go and you were to click on one of these and you were to type it into YouTube or Google, you're going to see there aren't very many videos or blog posts about this because it's so new. And so what I would recommend with this method is to go as far down as possible and then try to pick one of these products that makes a good commission. Obviously, the ones in the yellow, those products are the bigger launches, so they're going to be more popular, have the potential for you to make more money. Okay, step number 2, if you have absolutely no audience at all, the next best method you could do is called influencer marketing. Now, I know some of you may be familiar with this, but if you're not, influencer marketing, the best place to go for this is Instagram. So I just went ahead and I picked the dog niche for this example. Let's say you're promoting some sort of product and related to dogs. You're selling, I don't know, a dog collar, a dog shirt, a leash. I don't know, you're affiliate for some sort of dog product, okay? Simply, all you have to do is head on over here to Instagram. The way I found this page is I literally typed in dogs, I clicked on a picture, and it brought me to this Husky Heaven page, okay? And then as you can see right here, you can see DM for paid promotion, okay? All you have to do, follow them, message them, and then basically just say, hey, I would like to do a shout out. And then you're gonna send them a picture that they're gonna post, which then is probably gonna lead to your profile, and then you're gonna have a link on your profile, and then people are gonna be led to your affiliate site. And essentially, these posts, depending on how big the Instagram page is, can be anywhere from $30 to $70. And basically you go in, you buy that shout out. If you make more than what you paid, then you just keep going and going and going. You keep paying these people more and more. You find different influencers, you go find another page, you pay them. And as long as you are either breaking even or making money, you just keep that up and you have zero audience. You're using other people's audience for you to make money and then for you to start building your audience. All right, method number 3 is going to be native ads. Now, this is something that's a little bit new to me. I am going to be testing this out in the very near future, but if we hop on over here to my computer, we're over here on the Good Men Project. It's just a website, okay, with a bunch of different articles, but here's one article that is made on this page. But as you're going through, you reading through, if you go down to the very bottom, you're gonna see a bunch of little articles like this that are super like enticing. You know, you want to click on it. What you'll see if you look in this corner right here, you'll see ads by Rev Content. Okay, as you can see, these are ads, but they just don't look like ads, which is the nice thing about using native ads. And then all you have to do, if you go over here and we were to open this link, we click it. And what we'll see is there's a little video right here. For those of you that know funnels and know bridge pages, this would be a bridge page. And then all you have to do is go over here, click watch now. And then bada bing, boom, look what we have. We have a Clickbank website, which is obviously promoting Clickbank product. As you can see right here at the very bottom, Clickbank, which means they are an affiliate promoting whatever product this is selling. Okay, so that's all this is down here. And if you want to know how to go about this, all you have to do is click this right here, or you can just go to the website, you know, Rev Content. I went ahead and I kind of explored this. Go to revcontent.com and then you can start your own campaign, so that way your ad can show up down here and then you can start sending your affiliate offer to people through this method right here. Okay, then method number 4 for getting people to your affiliate offers without having an audience is to go and make whiteboard videos. Okay, the reason why this method is so great is because I know there's a lot of you out here that don't like doing what I'm doing, showing my face and doing this. Simply all you have to do is you can go and you can start making whiteboard videos. I know each and every one of you have seen those whiteboard videos. It's got the little hand, it's sitting there drawing and it draws out pictures. And surprisingly, a lot of people actually sometimes enjoy those videos more than just somebody sitting here talking. I like them, but personally, I'd rather somebody actually show me. But this is a great method because many people like this. And what I would recommend is if you want to do this, you can go and learn how to make these whiteboard videos, okay? If you want to actually be successful in affiliate marketing, take the time to learn how to do this if you are not wanting to show your face on camera. But if you want to be even more lazy than that, then what you can do is you can go on ahead and you can head on over to a website like Fiverr.com, and then you can have somebody create an animated whiteboard video for you. Just have those videos made, you know, discuss your affiliate products, or, you know, make videos related around your niche and then post them on YouTube. And then that is how you will quickly build up an audience. You don't have to show your face, and I know a lot of people would really enjoy this method, so I just thought I'd throw that one out there. All right, and last but not least, the best method for getting people, if you have zero audience at all, getting people to your affiliate offer is going to be Google Ads. I'm going to say Google Ads slash YouTube ads. The reason is because you have so much potential to reach people. Clicks can sometimes be a low cost to get people, and you can sometimes send people directly from the YouTube ad on Google straight to your affiliate link and start earning commissions. Now there's all sorts of courses out there on how to do Google ads and how to get them up and running and how you can target specific keywords related to your niche. Anyways, there's a bunch of videos out there that you can go and figure out how to do well with Google Ads, sending people to your affiliate offer. Now, what I've got to say is that I would recommend not just taking people from the Google ad and then sending them straight to your affiliate offer. Obviously, if you don't have an audience, why not start building an audience? Basically, send them from the Google ad to your page, your funnel, capture their email, and then send them to the affiliate offer. Now, if you want to learn how to do all that, you can go down in the description below. I have a full-on 3-day affiliate marketing course that shows you exactly how to do that, from finding affiliate offer to sending them to your funnel, which captures their email, which then starts leading them into your email follow-up sequence, which then sends them affiliate offer after affiliate offer, which gives you the potential to earn commission after commission after commission, okay? And this is what I'm doing to build my $10,000 a month business. And if that's something that interests you, you can go down in the link below. But other than that, guys, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you gained any bit of knowledge out of this, if you could go ahead and smash that like button, then also be sure to go down, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications as I post videos on the latest and greatest methods teaching you how to make money online. So guys, I appreciate you being here today, and be on the lookout for tomorrow's video, and we'll see you all then.